Welcome to Winsoft Technologies. It's me Prakash. In the last video, we have seen the introduction to JavaScript, guys. So, what is JavaScript? Advantages, disadvantages. How to work with JavaScript. We have seen some example and basic, but now we are going to see practical illustration, guys. How to do the example hands-on. Okay, we'll see this example. So there are three demos I'm going to show you guys. The first one is how to use JavaScript within head tag, and then how to write the same JavaScript within body tag, and finally writing a JavaScript file external, and then how to call it in our HTML file. Okay, all these three we'll see one by one. So let's get started with the first one, guys. Okay, so how to write JavaScript code within head tag. So here I'm using something called now I'm switching to this IDE called Visual Studio Code, guys. So I have already downloaded Visual Studio Code, and some people are getting confused with Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. Both are different, guys. Visual Studio 2019 or 2022 are meant for .NET Framework application development, and this is Visual Studio Code I'm using, guys. This is for UI development. Is the best IDE, you can say. You can go for any other IDE of your choice. You can use Notepad also, or Notepad++. Okay, it's not compulsory to use this what you call Visual Studio Code, but I recommend this, since you are a fresher, means it's easy for you to write the code. Okay, so you can fastly finish the code in this one, guys. Okay, let's close all of them, whatever files are there. Go to file, folders which are open here. Okay, and you can see here the editors, folder, no folder is open. If you want to open any folder, you can open here, guys. Okay, click on open folder. If you have any folder, all the files from the folder can be seen here in the list. Click on this and choose your folder here. Okay, I'm selecting my folder which is there in E drive, and there is a folder called Prakash1. I'm using this folder, and I said select folder. Okay, that folder is open here. It's ready now. If you have any files, you can see here itself, guys. Okay, you can see here all the files available. Just minimize it, you can maximize, and you can close this welcome page here, and you can add a new file, guys. The file name is something like I'm giving as demo1.html, and in that I'm going to write the code, guys. Okay. Yeah, guys, so our folder is ready now. Prakash1 folder is ready. Now what I'm doing is I can click on adding here new file and new folder. Like that, we have some options here. Refresh the Explorer. Okay, sometimes when you're not able to see your file, you can click on this refresh for Explorer, and a new folder is not required right now. We are creating a file, guys. Click on this new file, and the file name is I am saying as demo1.html, guys. Of course, you can add demo.js file also here. We'll see that later. Right now, demo1.html. The file is ready, and you can see the code here. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So what is the first one I'm doing here? So I want to write a comment here, that is exclamation minus 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 greater than. Okay, so my first JavaScript code. JavaScript demo or code. Okay, so what is this? Writing code in a or writing JavaScript in a head tag. Okay, this is what I wrote a comment, and after that, so we need to write doc type, means you can go for it. HTML, like that we do it. In HTML5 we need to write it, guys. Doc type HTML declaration, and after that we write the regular tags like HTML open close. When you open the tag, automatically closing tag will come, and head tag open and closed. Inside head tag I'm writing a title, guys. So what is the title of the web page is I said my first JavaScript, okay, demo, I said. And here I'm writing script tag, guys. Script tag open and close. So this is the important tag that we need to remember: script tag open and script tag close. So this I wrote inside the head tag, guys. This is very important. Let's save it first. Control S. It is getting saved. And inside the script tag, what I'm writing is document dot write. This is the statement we use to print some message, guys. Okay. Hello world from JavaScript. Like that, I wrote some message. Okay. And at the end, I'm giving semicolon. Okay. This is what I've written, guys, and you can minimize it or you can comment it. Okay. This is what the code I've written. Okay. Yeah. So save it. Control S. I'll go to file and save. Now after that, I'm going to run it, guys. How to run? To open it in browser directly, like by going to the folder, you have run option here. Okay, let's go to our folder, guys. So our folder is go to open the browser first. Go to the browser, whichever browser you are using as default, you can use it. E:/Prakash is my folder name, Prakash1, and in that demo1.html. okay, that is what I gave. Just hit enter, you'll get the message, guys. You can see this. You can zoom it here if you want to see hello world from JavaScript. So in this way you can run your first JavaScript file with the tag, the code I have written inside head tag, guys. Okay, this is the first example. If you want to see what is the code written for this HTML file, just right click and you can choose this view page source so that you can see whatever code we have written, guys. Okay, so the doc type HTML is for HTML5 version files. You need to write it, and then HTML tag open close. So in between that I'm writing a head tag open close, and inside head title tag open close for the title of this web page. You can see here my first JavaScript demo title. And script tag open close, inside that I wrote document.write hello world from JavaScript. This is what we got the output, guys. This is the title of the JavaScript file or HTML file. Okay, so in this way we can run JavaScript code with the help of this what you call head tag. Okay, so now let's see in the next example. Next video I'll tell you how to write the JavaScript code in a what you call body tag and how to call it.